Do you know email marketing is a popular, up-to-date, and influential tool for businesses to engage and reach out to customers effectively?
While many may think that social media supersedes email marketing ideas, that is not the case.
Email marketing services are still on par with social media and are expected to grow in 2020.
As smartphones and tablets have gained popularity, people are constantly checking their emails on the go, regardless of their profession or field.
A survey by Marketo shows that 94% of Internet users in the US have active emails, which is a total of 254.7 million users.
That's why you need to know about email marketing.
Hello guys, I am Naresh Kumar, the founder of Go Digital Plan.
In this video we will show you top 7 tips of email marketing for 2020. So let's start without any wasting time. If you are designing your email campaign idea, then knowing your audience is the most important thing. For any kind of marketing, you need to have a targeted audience, so that your audience is interested in what you have to say. The email marketing trick is to target the ones who have subscribed to your content, follow you on your social media, or have searched for your business on a search engine.
The next effective email marketing tip is to give the users quality content. If you have a defined audience, it will become much easier to generate content that is relevant, helpful, and engaging for the customers. Strong and creative content is the trick to get more clicks and add value to your emails. If you want to get more conversion by email, then you should plan and draft your emails appropriately. You can hire professionals to do so. Always use graphics, fonts, and images to make it creative. Also use engaging content such as visuals to ensure interactivity.
Did you know that 47% of users open an email after reading its subject line? The success of an email marketing campaign idea is highly dependent on the kind of subject lines you use. This is undoubtedly the most crucial part of your campaign success. Write killer subject lines to attract and engage your audience immediately. If the subject isn't appealing, your recipient will not open your email and lose it. If you don't want to lose your customers, then write killer and attractive subject line. Subject line should be short and to the point. Also, you can use words such as discount or 50% off.
The most important email marketing campaign tip is to never spam your recipients. Spamming does not only push your user away, but also automatically takes your emails to the junk folder. You can avoid spamming and prioritizing active users by creating mailing lists. Don't include everyone on your target audience list. The key is to invest your time in reviewing the targeted segments of the audience and filtering the emails accordingly. If you have new subscribers or customers, adopt a nurturing approach. Don't spam them with emails. Rather, build upon their experience. Create separate mailing lists for all these audience segments so you can tailor the emails accordingly. Effective email campaign tips include having mobile-friendly content and design. Since most users access their emails on their smartphone devices or tablets, make sure your emails are mobile-friendly. This will ensure a higher click rate and more engagement. If you want to make mobile-friendly, then use email marketing tools for mobile templates. And you can use shorter subject lines for mobile emails. Also, you can use mobile-friendly sign-up forms. Personalizing content and creating segmented email lists are 2 other email marketing tips you need to make your campaign successful in 2020. Create high-quality, personalized, direct emails that focus on the demographics, needs, and expectations of your defined audience. Even though such email campaign ideas may take time to get executed, the results will be worth it. The click-through rates of personalized emails are much higher than emails with merely general information. This method is used to experiment with 2 options and see which one works and gets more clicks. You can hire 2 designers or content creators and ask them to take 2 different approaches. Send these emails to 2 groups with a few recipients. The result is measured by the number of likes or clicks that each set of emails get. This sort of email campaign idea is to find the right approach for your target audience. You can also use testing to assess which subject line is catchier and more appealing by measuring the number of opens it got.